Hi guys, so today is day one of using this Maybelline Soda Pop palette, a palette that I have bought yet have never used. In fact, I've never even swatched it, and here's proof, and it's because this little sticker is still on, preventing me from opening the palette. So I was intrigued to try this palette out because I like the color story. There's purples and oranges, and there's like a slate bluish color and some nice neutrals and things like that. So today is day one of using this palette for 5 days and creating 5 distinct looks with it. I have about 10 or 15 minutes or so to finish getting ready for work in addition. So I'm going to be a little rushed this morning, and you're just going to see my makeup routine as it pertains to me getting ready for work, because it's just shy of 7 o'clock. So I'm going to do most of my face first, and then I'll be back to show you the eye look. Alright, my face is applied, obviously. Do I look better? Alright, I'm going to do kind of a basic color using these 3 here in the top corner. Whoops, I just smudged. And then this on the lid, the shimmery one here on the bottom corner. So where's my brush? Alright, so this one here, Crushing, this orangey color, that's going into the crease. Ooh, that's actually really nice. Sometimes oranges don't blend that nicely or have that great pigmentation when they come from like more inexpensive brands, but I like this. Very effortless. I barely had to blend. It's great. Now to ginger ale. I'm going to brush that over the bottom. I'm going to brush that over the lid. Whoa. With a fluffy brush, no less, just to blend that. Then I'm going to take Cola Float, place that in the outer. Ooh, that has some packed punch. Alrighty, that's pretty. Outer crease, blend bottom lash line. And then Soda Fizz on the lid. Not sure if I like the Soda Fizz with this warmth, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna wipe off my brush using a switch. And a little bit of the Cola Float here. A little bit of that ginger ale up on that brow bone. And blend it out. That's that for the eyeshadow. I'm going to quickly do a little bit of liner here on the outer corner. So this is the completed look for day one. It's a very warm, orangey, kind of brownish, not so neutral eyeshadow look. I was going for more neutral, but then realized that that orange packed a punch. So it's very warm, very orangey today, which I love. I love it so much I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. Okay. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for day 2. Bye!